Systems, a partner and a friend.
Hi, Ron Hughes here with Pattison Liquid Systems from Lemberg, Saskatchewan. Today we're going to go over our 2610 Tow Between liquid cart. So here we are at the front of our 2610 Tow Between liquid cart. We send our carts out field ready, so the hydraulic lines plumbed all the way through hitch to hitch, our feed and return lines for the liquid products ready to go. Our carts come standard, our tow between carts come standard with 2 1-inch and 6 1/2-inch hydraulic lines. Again, as you can see, all the way to the hitch. Stainless steel lines ran through the cart. We have a 12,000-pound implement jack on the front here as well, so pretty heavy duty. Safety chains, of course. All of our liquid carts have a 15-degree cone bottom tank, and this is a single 2,600-gallon tank on this cart. So at the front of our 2610 tow between cart, we have a 6.5 horse Honda as standard on these carts, married up to a banjo pump that'll do about 300 gallons a minute filling. There's also an optional electric start 13 horsepower high pro pump that we'll put on these carts that'll fill at about 440 gallons a minute. This cart is equipped with the optional automatic shutoff. So there's a sensor in the top of the tank that will activate when the fertilizer hits it. So if you're not standing there when you're filling the cart, it'll shut the pump off automatically. Our pumps are plumbed that we can use. Of course, this is the transfer pump to pull from your nurse unit into the tank. But if you want to use this pump to agitate product or to use it to pull product off, we can just switch over the three-way valves and use this pump for a variety of different uses. So the product pumps on our liquid carts, standard on all of our carts, is a 9303 high pro pump. This cart here today is equipped with a 9055 John Blue stainless ground drive pump. This is a double piston pump. We also have available a 6055 single piston ground drive pump. The ground drive options are, they're positive displacement pumps. So as long as the tires are turning and you're moving through the field, there's gonna be product leaving the pump. So underneath here we have a three-way valve. You'll have a switch in the cab. You'll be able to hit that switch. It's a diverter valve that will just dump product back in to the top of the tank on the headlands. Another option on this cart as well would be the electric clutch that we could put on here, so you don't need to get out and disengage the chain when you're going down the road. As you can see, mounted down here is our strainer. This is our sump screen between the tank and the product pump. On the hydraulic pumps, you're going to want to have a 30 mesh suction strainer in there. With the ground drive pumps, we recommend an 80 mesh suction strainer. So here we are at the back of our 2610 tow between cart. As I'd mentioned before, you can see nice finished product, all the hydraulic lines plumbed and fixed all the way through. Here is our supply and return line if you're using the sectional control system. If not, just the supply line back to the distribution kit. Our chem wash that we put on all of our carts inside here, you can put spare filters, some spare parts, and always have some fresh water on board to clean your hands. The tire options for this cart, so the cart comes standard with 16,000-pound hubs and spindles. We do have an option of a 20,000-pound hub and spindle, and standard on this cart is 30.5 32 tires. This cart here is shown with the 800 metrics. Okay, so thank you for spending a few minutes and going around our 2610 tow between liquid cart. If you have any questions on this cart or any of our products or services, please look us up on the web at liquidsystems.net or give us a call at the office. Thank you.
Pattison Liquid Systems, expect the best.